everybody! Happy Saturday. Our baseball game was very early, so we actually have some time to rest before the next one. And I wanted to show you, I'm in Bay Hill at an open house on Masters Boulevard. If you want the best neighbors in the whole wide world, this is where I grew. This is my little corner of Bay Hill. So I'm going to take you through this house. And if you don't get to come today, call me. We can schedule a private showing. They've done some updating inside. I'm gonna turn around the camera. Is that right? Okay, here. So that's the street. You can see the big signs. We're on Masters, right on the corner of Lytham Court before you get to Classic Court. If you enter on Terrawood Brookline or through North Bay, that would be your closest entrance. So, and my actual childhood bus stop is right down the street. So home sweet home, this could be yours, y'all. Call me. Let's take a little walk through. Hi, ladies. Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Always.
The whole world is watching. I love the white. It's very bright and open. Beautiful chandelier, vaulted ceilings, adds a lot of space, some built-ins. All of the homes in Bay Hill are custom built. The neighborhood was established in the late 1970s, and yes, Arnold Palmer designed and developed and built the PGA accredited Bay Hill Golf Course, which has the tournament Arnold Palmer Invitational. If you've lived here as long as me, it was once called the Bay Hill Classic, sponsored by Hertz, and you can go down so many rabbit holes with that. But anyway, we are in Bay Hill, and like I said, all the homes are custom made. These are real wood floors. This is not plank. Crown molding, open onto the Florida room patio, which we'll head out there in a second. So this is the back. It is considered a bedroom. You might want to use it as a home office. Nice bright window. The windows have been updated. They're the double pane. The closets are custom. Lots of storage. When you buy in Bay Hill, you're buying a lifestyle. You're buying the location. And for me, great place to grow up. Wet bar. There's snacks and mimosas, but I'm trying to be good. So Florida room. It is air conditioned. And then we'll go out by the pool. If you want me to focus on anything in particular, put it in the comments. I'm gonna head into the kitchen. We're outside. It's a beautiful day here in Orlando. This October is gorgeous. It's 82 degrees, sunny, a little bit drier than normal. I'm gonna turn this back around. Like I said, this is a lifestyle neighborhood, and you would have the most amazing neighbors in the whole wide world. And if you rewind 35, 40 years, the best memories in the whole wide world. Running around the stomping ground. So pool deck needs some attention, but that has a gorgeous pool shape. They don't make them that big anymore, y'all. If you're not from Florida, all of the homes that are being built now, this is important. If you're not from Florida, or if you are considering buying a new construction home, which is a good idea right now. The builders are buying down rates and doing really great incentives and kind of doing what you were asking to do. If you want a private pool, you have to put that in. New build homes don't usually have a private pool. 99% of the time, they do not have a private pool. So you have to add that in. And adding a pool is the biggest over improvement that you can do to your house. If you have a pool, especially one this big, they don't make them this big anymore or that deep. So this is grandfathered in. And they do have the little holes for the baby gates. I get asked about that a lot from people up north. Like, what is that? Why do we have that? And again, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, but ask me if you want to know. Okay, primary bedroom and kitchen, y'all. The fun never stops. Can we get in this way? I'll go around. Okay. Locked. Okay, back in through the kitchen. Want to play Monopoly? You know who's really good at Monopoly is my kid. Thumbs up or down on the floors. I have a black dog. Believe it or not, her fur would probably just blend in. Your shirt matches the floor. Did anyone tell you? Look, cabinet doors, cute, very modern, like almost a modern mid-century, modern. Is that a Bosch? Please be a Bosch. Please be a Bosch. Please be a Bosch. Yay! Yes. Bosch is, I mean, yeah.
Careful, the stairs are brutal.
Are they? Okay.
But the master's right there.
Okay, I'll do the one. Again, real wood floors. Lots of space, vaulted ceiling. You could put a really gigantic TV on the wall, and then you've got your bathroom. Soak away my day. Calgon, take me away. Yes. What do you think? Are y'all still with me? Because people are coming. We can go upstairs now. I'm really curious about what is up here. Now these are plank, these are not wood. So bonus room. And double vanity in the back. Skylight for light. There's a balcony on here. All of the closets have the custom. And there you go. Greatest neighborhood ever. You never ever regret living here, I promise. Even if you don't golf. I don't golf. I don't live here now. I didn't golf when I lived here either. I live close to here, and my mom and dad are across the street. Laundry. Oh, okay, patio entrance. Little side office. There's your driveway. Barn doors. Yay or nay? What do you think? Here to stay or going away? That's a good use of one. I hate when they take up the room and the wall and then they take away space that could be used. Check. Almost done. Ta-da. How late are you all open today? They're 3 o'clock. Come and get the cookies while you can, everybody. And the mimosas, but I think the mimosas will go first. They usually do. Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you. Yes. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Have a good day. Yep. I hope you get lots of good leads. It's a great neighborhood, so. Bye. You too. Okay, everyone. Whoops. Call me if you can't make it here. They're here till 3 o'clock today. And if you want to do a private showing or want more information about Bay Hill, Dr. Phillips, Orlando, Florida, if you have any questions about the mortgage rates, I've been talking to a lot of my lender partners about what's going to be going on. And if you want to do yoga every Tuesday, come join me. Peace out. Have a good weekend.